Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in here. This is Thomas at mgmclassiccars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this pretty different, first time for us, a 1974 Chevrolet El Camino, finished in a beautiful red paint, black interior. The car is a upgraded replacement 454 cubic inch V8 motor. It's got a turbo 400 3-speed automatic transmission. The paint is newer on the vehicle within a couple of years. New tires that are on the vehicle, nice wheels all around, new front brakes on the vehicle. The frame has been removed, sanded, and painted underneath. So go ahead and check out those photos. You'll find this car is very, very clean. It's got a new 750 CFM Holley carburetor and a newer fuel pump as well. New pan gasket and new main seal gaskets as well. New main bearings in the motor and a recent front end alignment on the El Camino. Really slick, really nice. Chrome appears to be original along with all the trim. Obviously the wheels have been replaced. Super cool dual sport mirrors all around. Paint looks nice and slick on the car, and it's been wet sand buffed and detailed. Really, really nice. The car feels like silk all around. I don't see any rot on the car, or any rust, should I say. Go ahead and check out my photos underneath that I have on the rack. As you can see, the paint is really nice all around the car. Really nice. All the weather stripping has been replaced as well. Really nice interior. Floor mats, door panels, no cracks. Like I said, the weather stripping has been done. Inner, outer door jambs are super crisp and clean throughout the car. A few upgrades on the RPM tech. The GT steering wheel, the triple gauge package there. The radio with the Bluetooth. Those are all some minor upgrades on the vehicle. Headliner's tight, dome light functions. Really, really slick car. Let me fire it up real quick. It's a big block 454 under the hood. You guys can go ahead and check out the photos at mgmclassiccars.com. Power steering. Sounds real good. Easy start up with the electric choke. RPM tech has been added to the car. So on our pre-delivery inspection, in which we do on every car, let me close this door. Headlights function, turn signals work, brake lights work, wipers function. The radio, for some reason, is inoperable. I did mention the 454 with the turbo 400 trans. We checked the oil, the coolant, the brake fluid, the power steering fluid, the transmission fluid. That's all been checked. Speedo works, RPM tech works. Temp gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, and also the fuel gauge does function. No spare tire on the El Camino, so keep that in mind. Let's see here, let's see. We cleaned underneath the car. So pretty much everything's functional on the El Camino. Guys, gals, if you need financing, get in touch with us. MGM Classic Cars offers financing up to 144 months with 10% down. So if your credit score is like 600 to 739, go to my website, fill out the application, in which is mgmclassiccars.com, and you can choose your terms. If your credit score is 740 and higher, please go directly to my lender at lightstream.com. It's a no money down option for those borrowers, and all approvals are subject to credit profile. If you're watching on YouTube, like it and share it. Click the subscribe button also. If you guys need delivery, take advantage, not a problem. We can get these cars delivered right to your driveway, fully insured for the purchase price of the vehicle. All I need is your zip code, so you'll text me that. So any questions, please feel free to text me, call me, or email me. My text number is 847-848-1850. You can also call. If I don't pick up, it's because I'm doing a video. Or leave a message. Somebody will get back to you. Once again, thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. My name is Thomas, and once again, my number is 1-847-848-1850. Don't forget to check out our website, MGMClassicCars.com, with over 100 beautiful hand-picked cars. Talk soon. Bye-bye.